This is a bit of an experimental process for me, so I didn't film the sketch of the coral trout prior to starting the watercolours. Here I changed my camera to an overhead position. It does give a better view of what I'm doing and allows you to see more of what I use and how I use it. Apologies here, I dragged my drawing out of the camera view a bit, so it's a bit of a challenge to see what I'm doing, but once the watercolours were dry, I went back in with coloured pencil just to get more vibrancy in the colours of the drawing. It's also a bit of a challenge with watercolour paper because it's so textured, so I use a blending pencil quite often throughout this process just to get a smoother finish. Here I went in with a white pencil just to do all the highlights, and then you can see towards the end that I'm using that clear blending pencil to blend out any areas that are a little bit rough.